Hello and welcome to this informative video in which we will look at the top 3 pitfalls individuals make on their path to wealth and financial success. If you're serious about reaching your financial objectives, this video's for you. When it involves managing your finances, it is easy to fall into classic misjudgments, such as overspending or a lack of financial preparation. But do not worry, we've got you covered with practical suggestions and techniques to keep you on track and generate the money you want. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to date on our latest videos. Let's get started. First is the lack of financial planning. Why? Because it leads to poor financial decisions that can hinder one's ability to accumulate wealth over time. Those without a plan are more prone to waste money and have no long-term objectives in mind, such as preparing for retirement or investing in assets that will rise in value. Those without a structured financial plan are also more prone to accrued debt, which may be a substantial impediment to wealth building. Excessive debt levels can lead to greater interest charges, which could eat away at any potential savings or investment returns. Another downside of not having a financial plan is that people may lose out on opportunities to invest in assets with the potential to grow in value, such as stocks, real estate, and other investment options. Those who lack a defined investing plan may be more vulnerable to market volatility and may be unable to capitalize on favorable market circumstances. Individuals may also lack a comprehensive awareness of their present financial condition, including income, spending, and liabilities, if they do not engage in financial planning. This unawareness can lead to overspending, failure to prepare for emergencies, and failure to save for future needs. It might also make it harder for them to make educated financial decisions that are in line with their objectives. Having a financial plan is like having a hidden weapon in your armory. It provides you with a clear sense of direction, financial control, and the confidence to make sound financial decisions. First of all, a financial plan assists you in setting and achieving financial goals. If your objective is to save for a house deposit, make debt payments, or enjoy retirement, a plan will get you there. It also assists you in better managing your money. You can track your income and expenses, build a budget, and prioritize your spending with a strategy in place to guarantee you're living within your means. The main benefit of financial planning, however, is the peace of mind it brings. Knowing you have a strategy in place helps reduce the stress and uncertainty that frequently accompany money management. It also assists you in preparing for the unforeseen costs and financial setbacks so that you're better prepared to deal with them when they occur. Consider it a superhero cape. It empowers you to take charge of your finances and overcome every financial obstacle that comes your way. Therefore, put on your superhero cape, make a plan, and take charge of your financial destiny if you want to reap the rewards of financial planning. What are the chances? In the process, you could end up being a financial superhero. Second pitfall is procrastination. Procrastination is like a robber in the night, snatching your financial treasure right under your nose. Consider a treasure chest full of gold coins sitting just in front of you. You have the key that unlocks it, but rather than opening it and having the advantages, you set the key down and leave. That is what procrastination does to your financial wealth. You lose the potential of compounding interest when you put off investing for pension or other long-term financial goals. It would be like planting a seed and then letting it wilt and perish instead of nourishing it. Delay also leads to the loss of investment chances. Think about the following scenario. You find a stock that is likely to rise, but you hesitate and delay the decision to invest. You miss out on the profits and see the chance pass you by. Overall, procrastination can result in debt and poor financial preparation. It's more like driving without a map, expecting to get somewhere without getting lost. You can wind yourself traveling in circles and never getting somewhere. To avoid procrastination, it is necessary first to analyze the fundamental cause of the behavior. Procrastination is frequently motivated by fear, worry, or a sense of doubt. Recognizing and confronting these feelings might help you resist the desire to put off action. Breaking down enormous financial goals into smaller, more doable chores is another useful method. This might make the ultimate objective less intimidating and enhance your drive to act. Making a calendar or time frame for these chores can also help you stay on track and avoid procrastinating. Seeking advice from a financial professional or mentor may also give significant support and responsibility. They can keep you on track, provide insight into investing opportunities, and act as a sounding board for your financial decisions. You may prevent procrastination and create the route for long-term wealth growth by taking action and keeping focused on your financial goals. And lastly, overconfidence. It's like wearing a blindfold while navigating a minefield, which may be a fatal trap for wealth creation. Certainly, you may believe you know where you're headed, but one incorrect step and your portfolio is gone. When you're overconfident, you're more prone to take chances you would not otherwise take. You may invest in something without conducting adequate study, or you may put all your eggs in one basket because you believe it is a sure thing. Yet the fact is that nothing in the world of money is guaranteed. Overconfidence can also contribute to a failure to analyze hazards correctly. You may persuade yourself that you can take a certain degree of danger, but when things go wrong, you're in over your head. Because, let's be honest, no one looks good drowning. What's more, overconfidence might lead to a lack of financial discipline. You may assume that you can deal with big debt loads or overspending without repercussions. Debts and overspending, on the other hand, can swiftly spiral out of control, resulting in financial catastrophe. Besides that, overconfidence makes it difficult to receive help or criticism from others. You may believe that you're the expert and that others have nothing to give you. This may hinder you from getting helpful ideas from professionals or people with greater expertise in money management. So, how can you prevent falling into this trap? First and foremost, you must understand that overconfidence is an issue. It's just like attempting to heal an illness without being aware that you're sick. Once you recognize that overconfidence is a problem, you should take precautions to avoid it. One good strategy is to remain modest. Well, I realize it is difficult when you're sitting on a pile of riches, but money may be ephemeral. Do not even assume that simply because you've been successful in the past that you will be successful in the future. The financial world is a cruel mistress who can abandon you at any time. Another suggestion is to surround yourself with individuals who will push you. Do not surround yourself with yes folks who will agree with you about everything. Identify individuals who will critique your assumptions and judgments. It's not always pleasant to hear criticism, but it is necessary for development. Nevertheless, keep in mind that variety is essential. Do not put all your eggs in one basket, no matter how appealing it appears. Diversify your investments across assets and sectors. That way, if one sector of the market suffers, you won't be losing everything. Overconfidence, in short, is a wealth destroyer. Keep your head held high, surround yourself with challengers, and diversify your investments. Otherwise, you'll be strolling across that minefield blindfolded. To sum it all up, a lack of financial planning, procrastination, and overconfidence are frequent problems that can strongly impact wealth building. Those who do not have a financial plan may accumulate debt, miss out on investing possibilities, and be unprepared for crises. Procrastination can result in lost investment opportunities and a lack of preparedness for financial goals. Overconfidence can end in unsafe financial decisions as well as a lack of personal financial discipline. To avoid these problems, examine the reasons for procrastination and overconfidence. Divide huge financial goals into smaller chores, get help from financial specialists, and stay focused on financial goals. Individuals could inspire themselves into becoming financial superheroes and attain long-term wealth development by doing so. And that's a wrap. We hope this video has given you helpful insights into the typical pitfalls to avoid on your path to wealth and financial success. If you found this video valuable, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more instructive content on personal finance and wealth development. If you have any queries or feedback, post them in the comments section below. We would be thrilled to hear from you. Until next time, continue to work toward your financial objectives and take steps toward a healthier financial future. We thank you for sticking around and we'll see you in the next one.